I wish my life had a rewind button. I wish I could take a U turn in my life. Today's emotion is about regret. My name is Dr. Sheetal. I am a medical doctor and a pranic healing instructor. Few years back, in one of the pranic healing camps, a person had come to the stall to take the healing. He was looking restless and he complained a feeling of pressure on the chest and used to get lost while talking to us and repeat a sentence, I made a mistake, I should have not done that. So on further inquiring why is saying that, he told us that he had received an overseas job in Dubai for which he had to go and give an interview. So he took the flight, he went to Dubai, he gave the interview and he did not wait for the results of the interview. He just took another flight and came back to India. Within few hours of landing, he received the confirmation for that job. So he felt, what's wrong then? You can take another flight and go back. So he said, no, I had taken so many loans previously and just to go for this job I had already taken a second loan. I cannot afford to take a third loan. So we asked him why did he took such decision. He said, I do not know. I could not understand. I could not think clearly. My family was not there around me and I just took a decision. So we gave him a healing. After the healing, he was very peaceful, very calm, and he said, I will receive another job. So this feeling of regret has been experienced by all of us at a given situation or when there is a time constraint, multiple stresses, limited opportunities, less knowledge available at that time. We take a decision, but later on this decision turns out to be unfavorable and we have this feeling of regret. This feeling of regret can also come because we have not taken certain actions when it was required. Parents do feel that they should have spent quality time with their children when they were growing, but they were busy with the household work, financial responsibilities, and they could not give the time for their children. The young children feel that they should have spent a lot of time with the grandparents, but they were busy with their studies. The grandparents were alone. And when they pass away, they feel that, oh, I should have spent a lot of time with my grandparents. The elderly people feel that they should have acknowledged, appreciated the good qualities, the good things of their loved ones, but they could not do it. So they have a feeling of regret. So this feeling of regret can be short-lived or it can stretch throughout your life. If it is not handled at the right moment of time, there are chances the person can go into severe depression or low self-esteem. So there are ways to cope up with regret. The first one is self-forgiveness and to let go of the past. It is only with self-forgiveness and to let go we feel inner peace and calmness. The second thing, do not take the excessive blame of that past actions. It is the best what could have been given at that moment of time. When you think with this awareness, there is inner peace. You feel confident about your decisions. So do not take the blame excessively on yourself. The third way is to reframe the whole situation in a positive way. All of us do mistakes. From these mistakes, there are opportunities to learn about your own self, the triggers within us, the weaknesses within us, the values within us. It also helps to know about the other person. It is the opportunity to know how to behave in the future. So reframe the whole situation in a more positive way. The fourth one is you shift your focus from regret to gratitude. Instead of feeling what are the missed opportunities in your life, think of what you have present. What are the good opportunities are present at this moment of time. appreciate them, acknowledge them, have the gratitude feeling towards those opportunities. And fifth is to apply pranic psychotherapy to overcome this feeling of regret. If you have liked my video, do share and comment about it. Stay tuned with me with my next emotion. Till then, take care.